Alright, you Generation Alpha. This is your lesson on how to jack up a car, which sometimes you have to do. Rule 1 is put it someplace level. You don't always have a choice where you're going to jack your car up. In this case, I do. Number 2, locate your jack. Mine's in the trunk, under the tire. Number 3, under no special order. Let's try to locate the point, or actually, before we do that, let's pull the emergency brake to keep this damn thing from rolling. Mine's right here. Now let's block up the back wheel here. Let's find a rock or some other object to put back there so this thing doesn't roll over on me. Give me a minute. Alright, your grandfather would like to be around to see you do this yourself. I'm going to put a block under the back. If we're going to jack up the front, block the back. If you're jacking up the back, block the front. Number 4, locate the jacking point. Most cars, I wouldn't say most, it's in the owner's manual if they want you to jack it up. In this poor old car, you gotta improvise and find it. Right here on the frame, right here, there's a gap. See it? That's where the jack goes. The thing has to lay flat enough to go right on there. Now we're going to jack this thing up, just to see if we can. While I'm doing this, you have to ask the simple question, how high do you want to jack this thing? And the answer is, it depends on what you're trying to do. In my case, I want to crawl under here and try to figure out where the oil's leaking. So since I want to crawl it out and don't want to take off the tire, I don't have to jack it up as high. But if I had to jack it up high enough to get the tire off, I would want to jack it up so that the tire just doesn't come all the way off the ground, but comes off far enough off the ground so that the weight's off of it, so that I can unscrew the lug nuts. Such as it is, I don't need to do that today. All I want to do is climb underneath it, try to figure out where my oil is leaking. And all these old Mustangs, the oil leaks someplace. Oops. Just be thankful you're not out on some lonely country road, a car full of kids, having to do this. On the other hand, that's one of the rare experiences in life that everybody should have. This thing's off the ground now, I think. No, not quite. I'm going to have to stand up. Switch hands. Got that off. That's high enough to get it off. It's going to wheel freely. No, it's not. That's fine. I don't necessarily want it to. See, if I could want, I needed to change the tire, I could. Now we're going to put a jack stand under here in an appropriate spot. And I've jacked up 3 of my 4 Mustangs. I'm all the way under here, under someplace solid. Manage it. Hopefully all the safety precautions we've taken so far will keep it from falling on my head. Hopefully. Yeah, we're going to have to jack the tire. We'll put it right under there and see if that works. No, that's a bad place. Put it right under the steering thing and see if that works. Alright, that'll work. It's right underneath that heavy thing. Now hopefully I won't kick it out. Now to get under here and try to solve my oil drippage.